Hi everyone, I am Shefali. In today's video, we will be making a round canvas at home. We'll be using stuff you already have around your house. Cardboard or any thick sheet, bowl, scissors, one for fabric and another one for paper cut, ruler, paper cutter, compass, ice stick, pencil, a white sheet, some water, Fevicol, canvas roll or any old used canvas. So let's begin. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it and turn the notification bell button on to get notified. Here I am using a cake board. You can use sweet box or any thick sheet. If you don't have canvas roll, you can use buckram or any old sheet which you have taken in practice or you want to modify it. Always keep it at the top of clean surface so it doesn't get dirty. Add some water in it and mix it well. Take a regular punching machine and staple it like this way. I personally like this idea and also it will make it strong enough. I hope this video helped you out making your own canvas during this quarantine time. Take a clean polythene and fold it. Keep this carefully under heavy surface so the way you will get a perfect shape. Make sure you like, share and subscribe this channel and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and happy life. Bye.